Should I get married, man? I got the pretty lady behind me. It is definitely going down. That's what I'm talking about right there. Hey yo, what is up? It is your favorite Motovlogger back with another video, and man, I am at the airport on my way to Las Vegas. Man, about to get this trip started, man, so let's get money. Just like that, had to make the stop, the pilgrimage, if you must, man. I'm in the middle of Las Vegas right now. I had to stop at Harley-Davidson here in Fremont, man. It is a dope place all around, man. We'll show you that in a minute. Guys, see back there, that is the dome with all the lights. But man, we got to go in here and see what they got. All right, man, so we inside of Harley-Davidson in Las Vegas, man. I got to ask you fellas out there, man, is that dope or what? I'm actually loving that hat. I know I get a little bit of a glare right there, but man, that hat is dope. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But man, we inside of Harley-Davidson, definitely going down. Let me show you a couple things that I didn't see back at the house that I see. I actually like this all orange jacket right here, man. That's pretty dope. Go with the hat, with the flam, and then they got the flannel with it too. And they definitely going in on that, man. I'm loving that right here. Oh, that's hot right there also. That's hot. Hold this for a sec real quick. See the lovely knee right there. Damn, you see right here, man? That's hot right there. Which I think about that. Yeah, definitely feeling that one. You guys see the Sportster right here looking so amazing in the matte finish right there, man. All right. Actually love these bikes. If you ride a Sportster, leave me something in the comments below, man. But this is kind of dope right here, man. I see Harley-Davidson in Las Vegas. Definitely got it going on. It's a nice selection in here. So if you've never been out this way, when you do come to Vegas, you guys got to stop at the Harley-Davidson. This is the one in Fremont where the party is at, man. I'm gonna shake you outside and show you that, but man, you can see it's dope. You know you in Vegas when you see the Hawaiian shirts jumping off right there. Oh my God. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. Feeling real good. A lady came up to me, asked me if I work here. That must mean I look like a Harley guy, so feeling real good about that. And I hope you're enjoying the video. If you like the video and you like the footage, don't forget to drop a like, comment, man, subscribe to the channel, man. We're doing big things in 2025. Let's go. Yes, sir, man. I tell you one thing, when you in Vegas, the pigeons ain't scared of nobody, guys. I'm all the way up in my man's face. They ain't going nowhere. See, we're in Fremont right now, and it's just shops everywhere, all the way around. We spin around, man. It's shops everywhere. If you come to Vegas, you gotta stop at Fremont. It is a party going on all night, man. I'm telling you what, we're coming down here tonight. I'm about to get lit all the way up, and we're gonna party. I'll show you guys the video. We are definitely coming down. Man, tell them we're coming to Tremont to kick it tonight.
Going down.
I'm gonna get her drunk, man, so she can get in here and have some fun. All right, man, so check it out, man. That is the ceiling right there. And at night, this thing lights all the way up. And it is an absolute party all the way through here. We talking street performers. We talking all kind of crazy stuff. Okay, so we just give you an idea of how it goes down. These are some of the things that you see when you come down here for sale. All right, fellas, so man, we got to have a quick contest real quick. I'm going to zoom through each and every one of these. Man, let me know which one is your favorite. I'm gonna tell you which mine is in a minute, man. My fave in the whole thing got to be thick filet right there. That is definitely right now thick filet, and In-N-Out is a close second right now. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. right, YouTube, man, I am out here in Vegas living the life, man. You got to get out, have fun, man. I'm about to jump me some pizza off, about to try this off in the cut place. Yeah, I came off the strip. We came into real Vegas. I'm gonna hit this spot called Boston Pizza. Let's see what they got. All right, man, just stepped up inside Boston Pizza, but I gotta let you guys know, by the way, this is my girl, Nee.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And definitely going down. Her favorite spot over in the casino is closed, favorite pizza place. So I picked this place. Hopefully it's gonna be good.
Better be.
The pressure is on, man. Let's see what we get. So here is the moment of truth. Go ahead, get it going. Let's go. Here's the moment of truth. You gotta let me know what you think. Yeah. Let's go. So, man, cross my fingers on this one. Let's go. All right, so tell the truth. What you think? Is it certified? Certified. All right, so definitely all right. All right, man, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, man. We are all over the place, and this is who we kicking it with tonight. And you see him right here. We want to see if it's real or not. Come over here. You better not be scared. I think she's scared of him right here. Oh my God, it is absolutely real right there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We definitely kicking it with this. Is this a real person or is it just, oh my God. I think he's real. I definitely think he's real. All right, you gotta hit a two-step for me, man. Let them know you're real. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. Drop me something in the comments below if you like it, man. But we are definitely gonna be kicking it with him tonight. Man, you are so dope. I had to come up to you and tell you are so dope. That's what I'm talking about right there. Definitely dope in the house right there. Man, it is going down. I hope you guys are enjoying the footage. This is just something that I like to do. You guys know I'm a motovlogger, but I like to get out. And I want to say to you, you got to get out, enjoy your life. You see, my man is enjoying his life, and we are as well. All right, man, so we see the zip lines right here that go all the way across. And I think you can zip line from back there all the way down. That is a long, probably the longest zip line I've ever seen before. Can we please zip line, please? Please. You see, I got all the support right there, man, but it is so badass down through here. Hey, what up, man? In Vegas, behind me, you see we are in Las Vegas right now. You see my guy in the background right there. Okay. All right, fellas, we gotta go with the gorilla dancing behind us. Y'all see that? Definitely going down live, man, in Las Vegas right now. You see it is going down all the way around right now. Oh my God, definitely a Vegas event. See all my people in the background right here. It is definitely going down all the way live, man. We are in Vegas on a Sunday night and it looks like a Saturday night. Definitely going down, man. Hey, where Michael Myers at? Really, Michael Myers. All right, well, not only do we got the gorilla, but we got the one and only Michael Myers in the background right there. You see my guy Mike in the background right there. Oh, it is definitely going down right there. My guy Mike in the background. It is all good, man. Mike, what up, baby? That's what I'm talking about, man. Live in Las Vegas all the way down, man. All right, man, I am back on the streets of Vegas, man. You see, I am all over the place. Now, let me know, want to know something, YouTube out there, man. I'm in Vegas right now. We at the wedding chapel. Is your boy gonna get married, man? Should I do it, man? I'm gonna swing around and show you what we got. I gotta ask you guys a question, man. Oh my God, man, we are at the chapel right now in Vegas. Should I get married, man? I got the pretty lady behind me. It is definitely going down. Man, the moto vlog is going on, but right now it's all about that lifestyle. Guys, should I tie the knot? You see the love behind me? The chapel is right over here, gotta turn. Should we go in here and get married? Guys, it is definitely on, man. Let's see what happens. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. With that, can you get a cake? Man, we are on the streets right now, but man, I'm telling you right now, man, I really miss the bike. Man, I'm missing it so bad. Need you guys to drop me something in the comments below. Let me know what color scheme I should go with on the bike. You know, I'm gonna get those wheels powder coated and all that, but really want to know your suggestions on what we should do. Don't forget, if you didn't drop a name in the contest, drop it in the comments below. We're gonna pick a name for it. You guys are gonna win some Street 330 Muscle Lab gear. The first place is gonna win a hoodie. Second place is gonna win a nice tee. It's coming directly to your door. This is me getting tattooed on the back of her neck. All right, man, she about to jump off right there on the ledge. Oh, here we go. All right, man, your girl about to jump off the ledge right here. So I'm scared for your girl right here. Oh, did she just take a step? Oh, she took a step. Oh, shit. Ah! Man, that's just crazy right there. You going next? Are you about to go next? So, man, look, man. So listen, man. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What makes you want to do this, man? What makes you want to do this, man?
I see a lot of video, man.
Okay, I get it, man. You know what I'm saying?
It's so easy, but reality?
Yeah, I get it, man. But I'm looking like this, and I see this,
crazy, man.
and I'm like, don't you see this right here, bro?
I Google it.
You Google this?
I Google this.
Okay, did you
going
Google
down 108 per mile speed?
But did you Google the things that can happen if you go down like this? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
My man, you ready? Definitely going down right here. Oh, that's crazy right here, man. We at the top of the world in Vegas. My guy about to do the jump off the top. Absolutely crazy right here. So you see my guy. He right there. You about to do this. You about to do it. They in there smiling. They in there smiling like it's just, oh yeah, you smiling. She's like, oh, it's nothing. It's only 1,000 feet going down. It's nothing. Me, it's nothing. It's only 1,000 feet down. That's it. Oh, he's strapping my man up. Oh my God.
You know doing it?
Huh?
You do it?
Nah, I'm not doing it, man. Where you from? I like your accent. England? Oh my God, from England. How you doing? My name is Vern. Nice to meet you. I've never met a person from England, man. Nice to meet you.
I'm James.
Nice to meet you, James. Nice, man. I love it. All right, now we out here meeting people, man, from England. My guy James from England in the house. All right, you up next, man? This is a big thing in England, ain't it? Right now he's strapping my man in. Definitely going down. I hope y'all enjoying this, man. Y'all ain't gonna see your boy. Now remember, you are probably ain't gonna see me out there doing this, but I'm back here behind the glass. We back here behind the glass, and we loving it. What you say? What?
I'm not doing it.
All right, well, we back here behind the glass where we should be at. We about to watch my man do his thing right here. Asked him, did he Google?
Thing on his arm? Is that the camera?
I think it is a camera. See on his arm? Yeah, that's a camera right there. Yep. That's crazy.
We're all taking videos at his
Oh yeah, hell yeah. We hate to be at his expense, but you know, we want to see what's gonna happen. Man, anybody in this live that's watching this, man, would you do this? Would you do this, man? Straight up, man.
Or would you want to reach?
My dude said, man, you know, he was like, hell no, I ain't doing this. That's crazy. Come on, man, you got it, man. We got your back. Way behind this glass, we got your back. Yeah, we sure got your back all the way behind this glass. Look, he's shaking.
God bless him.
Let's go, baby.
What was I thinking? No,
Man, what? I know he got to be like, what the hell was I thinking, bro? Here we go. Here it comes. He's thinking about it. Do it, man. Just jump, man. Do it. Yeah. Ow! There you go. Hey man, why didn't let your boy hang on the thing for like that long? He hung out there for like 5 seconds. That's like an hour hanging out there. It's crazy, but man, that's what goes down, man. I get it. You saw the people behind me, they back here kicking it, watching my man. It is crazy, man. Social media crazy. We all got our cameras on it, man, waiting to see what's gonna happen, man. Social media is absolutely crazy. Absolutely insane, man. This is so sweet right here. This is the Fountain of the Gods right here in Caesar's Palace.